And last of all, I want to thank baseball. It has given me more than I could ever hope for. And I hope that when I'm through with this game, I will put something back. Thank you very much.
We lost one of the all-time greats, an icon in this game, Yogi Berra, passing away at age 90. It was the 69th anniversary of his debut in the major leagues. Served in the Navy during World War II. Caught Don Larson's perfect game in the '56 World Series. 10 World Series championships. 19 seasons with, or 18 rather, with the Yankees. He went to the World Series 14 times. He was a great player and a wonderful guy, and all those Yogi-isms will certainly live on forever. Yogi Berra passing away today.
He was my first manager when I was called up with the Yankees, and then later on was a coach on the staff down in Houston, and a wonderful guy, and obviously a tremendous career. He will be sorely missed.
So Kyle Hendricks will take the ball, and by the way, did have a moment of silence here at the ballpark for Yogi just before the national anthem. Now they